Hello, colleagues. It's Crystal from Crystal Clear ESL here. Welcome. I wanted to take a minute to discuss who Crystal Clear ESL is for. Let's take a quick look at the site. As a freelance online ESL teacher myself, I found a real market need for quality step-by-step lesson material that I could use with minimal prep and minimal effort for maximum results. So I've designed this site just for that, for online freelance ESL teachers to have resources at their fingertips. Start with these 8 free trial classes, which are a great way to learn the design and function of the courses, as well as to do placement and assessment for your new students. You can see there's one trial lesson for each of the 7 levels within our general step-by-step curriculum, as well as a business English trial lesson. Let's have a closer look at that. You can see when you click on the Business English trial lesson that the objectives are clearly visible. You can press F11 to view the lesson plan in full screen mode for best professional delivery to your students. Our Business English lessons are dynamic and fully adaptable by yourself as a professional teacher. The subject matter is engaging and relevant, as well as being modern for the business world. The step-by-step general curriculum offers 7 levels, spanning from very beginner to advanced users of English. It's designed to take your students the whole way through their English journey with multiple entry points. From approximately A2 level, this curriculum is also suitable for teens and adults. When you've had a good look through the trial lessons and have decided that the course might be for you, I invite you to participate in the 2-week free trial that gives you access to the entire website content. You can see the subscribe button here, and any subscribe button will take you to the registration where there's no contract, no need to register your students to the platform. You simply teach on full screen mode using your favorite virtual classroom platform. It's the ease of fully adaptable lesson material that you can teach on the spot to new students with minimal preparation on your part. Now, I'm often asked, why would I pay for lesson material when it's something I can do myself? Here's a hypothetical situation. Let's say an online freelance teacher teaches 10 lessons a week for $10 per lesson at approximately $400 per month. Now, they might invest 15 minutes preparation time per lesson times 40 lessons per month at an additional 10-hour per month investment. In effect, that extra time spent is lowering their income to just $7.50 per lesson because of the time investment. We all know you don't get paid for prep time. So if you factor that $100 per month lost because of your preparation time versus the $9.99 a month cost to subscribe to all of this lesson resource material that's available at your fingertips, it's a no-brainer. Obviously, if lesson planning is what you enjoy, this isn't for you. But the best way to maximize your income and minimize your time investment in your job as an online freelance teacher is to subscribe to beautiful, professional, purpose-built curriculum material with Crystal Clear ESL. Thanks for joining. Bye.